Hey there, welcome back to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge explanation and news updating daily. Let's dive into the latest buzz from the crypto world, shall we? Buckle up, because today's a wild ride. The very first news: XRP price shows signs of recovery within range. Can it spark a rally? Next, drama alert. XRP investors, beware. SEC appeal threatens post-court victory. Meanwhile, Ripple partners with Evmos to build XRP ledger, EVM sidechain. And we're going to break down 3 reasons why Solana's, SOL, price soared past $160. And PEPE price prediction, as PEPE drops 7%. Suddenly, what's going on? That's the highlight. Stay tuned for more and smash that subscribe button for all the latest altcoin daily news. Okay, the very first news today is about XRP's price action. So, XRP's been on a bit of a journey lately, and it looks like it's starting to pick up steam again. It's been nudging against the $0.50 mark, and if it can muster the strength to push past $0.520, we might just see it take off. Here's the scoop. XRP found its footing above $0.4950 and even hopped over the $0.50 line. There was this little downward trend on the chart, but XRP broke through that at $0.5025. Now, if things go south, it's got a safety net at $0.5120. If it climbs, it'll face a bit of a challenge at $0.5200 and $0.5220. And if it really hits its stride, we could be looking at $0.5350, or hey, even $0.550. The techie indicators? The MACD's chilling in the bullish zone, though it's losing a bit of pep. And the RSI? It's over 50, hinting that XRP isn't done rallying yet. On the other hand, speaking of XRP, we can't miss out the whole XRP and SEC situation, right? Well, let me break it down for you. Now, the court's still scratching its head over what to do about Ripple's oopsie with the alleged securities no-no. Worst case? They might tell XRP to stop playing the sales game, especially with the big guys, the institutions. And if the SEC decides to throw a tantrum and appeal, well, that's going to make investors as nervous as cats in a room full of rocking chairs. On the technical side of things, XRP's chart is looking as flat as a pancake. It's like it's waiting for a sign, any sign, from the lawsuit gods. Plus, Uncle Sam's economic report card and what the Federal Open Market Committee has to say could stir things up a bit for XRP. And for a cherry on top, there's this crypto whiz named EGRAG who's been staring at charts so long, he's seeing patterns. He's comparing the nows and thens and making some educated guesses about where XRP might be headed in the next few months. Short story? Ripple and Evmos are setting the stage for some serious interchain mingling. Ripple's shaking hands with Evmos to whip up an XRP ledger EVM sidechain. It's like they're building a bridge between Ripple's world and Ethereum's, and they've got PeerSyst in on the action too. This sidechain is all about making it easy for Web3 apps to jump in and play nice with EVM. Think of it as a VIP pass to a whole bunch of Cosmos SDK strings, IBC, and even a dApp store. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a Ripple party, it's a whole community shindig. The sidechain's going to link up the XRPL crowd with dApps and a network of over 90 chains. It's like having a universal passport to blockchain land. And to sweeten the deal, Evmos is tossing $5 million into the XRPL pot to help devs who vibe with their mission. The market's already giving a thumbs up, with XRP and Atom prices getting a nice little bump from the news. Oh, by the way, the content in our videos should not be considered investment advice, just for entertainment only. Investing is speculative. When investing, your capital is at risk. Before we dive into today's next market-breaking news, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to fuel us up for even hotter content than ever. All right, let's chat about SOL's recent price jump. It's like Solana's token hit the crypto gym and bulked up big time. In just 24 hours, SOL flexed up to $165 before chilling at $161. That's with a trading volume that skyrocketed by 56.6% to a hefty $3.7 billion. And guess what? CoinGecko says SOL is now the fifth biggest crypto player on the market, with a massive $73.1 billion market cap. Now, onto the juicy stuff. Robinhood's making moves by rolling out a staking feature for SOL in Europe. They're not just stopping there. They've got a whole bag of goodies, including staking, localized apps, and some sweet crypto rewards for newbies. Plus, they're updating their Learn and Earn modules to keep everyone in the know. But wait, there's more. Infinex, this cool decentralized trading platform, is also giving Solana a high five with support that's got the total value locked, TVL, soaring to over 71 million USDC. They're not shy about it either. Over 4.1 million USDC is already cozying up with Solana. And for the grand finale, Marginfi drops the mic with Solana's first liquidity layer. It's a whole new playground for DeFi with all sorts of yields, like natural staking yield through LST, token yield through MRGN Lend, and stablecoin yield through YBX. While SOL's doing its victory lap, the rest of the crypto market isn't just sitting around. It's up by 4.7%, hitting a total market cap of $2.5 trillion. Bitcoin's riding the wave at $66,000, up by 5.7%, and Ethereum's not too far behind, climbing 3.3% to about $3,000. About PEPE's wild ride in the market. So PEPE's price took a bit of a nosedive, dropping 7% out of the blue. It's a bit of a head-scratcher since the rest of the crypto world is basking in a 5% gain today. But here's the thing. PEPE's been on a tear lately, still boasting a 30% jump this week and a whopping 100% over the past month. Now, the big fish in the pond, the whales, they're still betting on PEPE, which hints that this little dip might just be a blip before another climb. And if the Fed decides to play nice and cut rates later in the year, PEPE could be back to popping bottles and celebrating gains. To give you a taste of what's happening behind the scenes, there's this whale who casually pulled out a cool 520 billion PEPE. And the buzz around PEPE, it's loud, with a trading volume that's cranked up to about $1.6 billion. That's a lot of chatter for a token that's just had a stumble. So, keep your eyes peeled. PEPE's story is far from over. So, Cardano's ADA just did a bit of a magic trick, pulling a surprising comeback after everyone saw a death cross and thought, uh-oh, that's not good. But ADA was like, hold my beer, and bounced from 0.426 to 0.455, which is a sweet 5.38% jump in just a day. The death cross? It's this spooky chart thing where the short-term average dips below the long-term average, and traders usually take it as a bad omen. But ADA shrugged it off, probably because there's some cool Cardano upgrades on the horizon. We're talking about Ouroboros Genesis, set to drop in Q3 2024, and it's all about making the network more secure and robust. So, while ADA's doing its thing, the rest of the market is also getting a bit of a lift, and that's giving investors some good vibes. With Cardano's devs keeping busy and the blockchain getting beefier, it's like ADA's laying down the groundwork for a bright future. Finally, breaking down Ethereum's big leap over the $3,000 hurdle. It's a pretty big deal for ETH, but the crowd's still biting their nails, wondering if this is a real deal or just a tease. If ETH takes a tumble below $3,000 again, it might spell trouble. Keep your eyes on the prize, though. Resistance is waiting at $3,200 and $3,400, while support's got ETH's back at $2,900 and $2,800. These numbers are like the crypto crystal ball hinting at what's next. And here's some nerdy stuff. The blockchain's buzzing with different numbers of active addresses and transactions each day. Plus, ETH's playing a game of hot potato. More of it's getting burned than made, which is kinda cool and rare. So that's the skinny on ETH's climb. It's not just about breaking records, it's about staying up there.
Alright, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.